Hello friends, my name is Shobhik Shankar Mitra and today I am going to demonstrate you about my new project, that is the Amphan Cyclone Flood Mapping and Damage Assessment in West Bengal. So as you know that Amphan is one of the most devastating cyclone that hit parts of Odisha and West Bengal on 20th May 2020. The maximum wind speed of this cyclone is going up as 190 km per hour, and as per meteorologists, it is one of the most devastating cyclone after the 1999 cyclone. So Amphan causes severe damage and flooding in Odisha and West Bengal. So as a remote sensing student, I just being curious that how much damage Amphan causes, and I think that this assessment helps people to understand the severity of Amphan. So I made Earth Engine app using Google Earth Engine. Here I have shown that how much damage is occurred due to Amphan. So here I have shown that the estimated flood extent, and I have shown that the estimated number of exposed people that is caused due to Amphan, and I have also shown that estimated affected cropland that is flooded due to Amphan. So I have chosen 7 districts of West Bengal for my assessment because these districts are the most affected due to Amphan, because the path of the Amphan is going from this direction, from these districts to Bangladesh. So I have chosen these districts, that is the South 24 Parganas, North 24 Parganas, Howrah, Hooghly, Kolkata, East Midnapur and Nadia. So here I have shown that how much area is flooded due to Amphan. Here I have using the Sentinel-1 SAR image, means because the SAR image is a perfect for flood mapping and damage assessment. So here I have taken two images for my assessment. One is before Amphan and one is after Amphan image. Before Amphan image I have taken on 15th May, and the after Amphan image I have taken on 22nd May. So here you have see that the blue part shown here is the flooded area, and the green part shown here is the affected cropland. So for the affected cropland estimation, I have taken the Modi's land cover 2018 500 meter data set. Also you can see that how much population is exposed due to this due to Amphan, and how much population is going to be affected due to Amphan. So this estimated number of exposed people I have taken using the GHSL 2015 250 meter data set from the Google Earth Engine. So here you can see that this part is the most affected part, the most flooded part due to Amphan, and also these parts are the flooded parts due to Amphan. You can see that the Kolkata city is not so much flooded, but the exterior of the city is partially or too much flooded due to Amphan. So my model estimated that the total estimated flood extent is 1,70,776 hectares, and the total estimated number of exposed people is 2,23,253, and the total estimated affected cropland is 33,632 hectares. So you can think about the severity of Amphan. So thank you very much. You can use the Earth Engine app using this link, and also I have put this link in the description of the video, and also some more studies on Amphan cyclone is coming soon. I have some ideas and I am working on that. So thank you for watching.